Betraying a Capricorn is not like betraying anyone else. It's a mistake many regret for a lifetime, because Capricorns never react the way you expect. Behind what seems like a cold exterior lives one of the most loyal and devoted hearts of the Zodiac. But once that trust is broken, there is no second chance. Only silence and a door that closes forever. In this video, we'll dive deep into the emotions, the psychology, and the hidden strength of Capricorn when betrayal strikes. When betrayal happens, Capricorn doesn't argue, doesn't beg, doesn't ask for explanations. Their answer is silence, cold, heavy, and final. Capricorns give their whole heart when they love or trust someone. Their emotions run deep, solid, and unshakable. That is why betrayal cuts them like a blade. It feels like an earthquake shaking the empire of their soul. But their withdrawal is never impulsive. Capricorn quietly prepares for the exit. Step by step, they detach, building an invisible wall until the bond no longer has power over them. And when they finally walk away, it's forever. No words, no drama. Just the sound of silence that speaks louder than anger. Capricorn is ruled by Saturn, the planet of time, discipline, and boundaries. That's why their trust is not given lightly. It's built slowly, like a mountain, stone by stone. But when that mountain collapses, there is no rebuilding it. What once stood firm becomes ashes. To outsiders, Capricorn may seem cold or heartless in these moments. But in truth, their silence is a search for inner peace. They were not born to destroy, to harm, or to seek revenge. If revenge ever exists in their mind, it stays as a thought, never as an action. Where other signs explode in rage, lash out, or fight back, Capricorn simply chooses dignity. Walking away without a word, that is their power. Betraying a Capricorn doesn't just mean losing a relationship. It means losing a rare kind of loyalty that can't be replaced. It means breaking a bond that was stronger than steel. To be trusted by a Capricorn is to hold a priceless treasure, but it comes only once. Respect it, protect it, because once it's broken, it is gone forever. Their greatest strength is not revenge, not hatred, but the ability to move forward without looking back. A Capricorn can bury the pain, lock the past behind them, and rebuild their life without ever needing to return. And that is the quiet, unshakable power of this sign. Capricorn's silence after betrayal is not indifference. It is proof they have chosen peace over conflict, dignity over drama. Have you ever witnessed this silence? Or maybe you've lived it yourself? Share your story in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to discover more hidden truths about the zodiac signs.